Hi everyone, Siavash here, and in this quick video I'm going to talk about how you can actually qualify leads or basically have a logic-based form in your GHL survey, whether you want to qualify or disqualify leads, or if you're doing a survey, show them like specific things based on their answer to question. So this can be helpful for any type of businesses. Let's say you selling or providing some type of consultancy that you have different packages. Some of them are for people that, let's say, their monthly budget is less than $1,000, and some of them are for people that their monthly budget is above, let's say, 5 grand. So you have different packages designed and you want to show them based on what they choose. If they say, hey, I'm only making less, my own budget is less than $1,000, then you show them, okay, these are our basic packages. If someone says my budget is above that, then you can show them your premium packages. So it makes it more personalized and customizable. It can also be for your clients, coaching, pretty much for everything. And you don't, or even like if you want to do your calendar, because these forms and logics can sit before your calendar or even included in your calendar. I'm going to show you how you can actually add inside the calendar as well. But anyway, let's first do the form one, because we can do both forms and survey. They have a little bit of a difference. I'm going to show you what is the difference. So let's go to the form builder. I've already created a form, named it logic form. So if I click on this, so usually you want to have a type of a question that is like a multiple choice, so they can only choose one of these guys, and based on that then you say, okay, if they chose this, do that. So you wanted to have that type of a question. If you don't know how to create those type of custom fields, you just click on this plus icon, custom fields, and then you add a custom field, and this specific one is a radius select. And then the thing that we have inside the form is this icon on top left. It says add conditional logic. So if you click on that, currently these are the options that GHL give us. So you can redirect them to a URL, you can display a custom message, or you can disqualify a lead. So let's say I want to disqualify a lead, and I'm going to say if for the question number 1 they chose 10, then I'm going to show a custom message or send them to an open URL, which you can design it as like, unfortunately this, for example, service is not the best one for you, however you can access to our free courses here, something like that. Or you can just give them a specific message, sorry, you are not qualified, or something like that. And the logic is just there, and we can close that, and let's just now save and actually preview this and see what happens. So if I click on preview, and let's choose an email, and then 10, and then submit, sorry, you're not qualified. And let's this time try and choose 20. It should say thank you for submitting the form. There you go. So that's a simple one for the form. Now let's go and have a look at the survey. So we have a similar thing inside the survey. So if I go to survey and then click on builder, I've created a logic survey in here. Very, very simple. So I put 3 slides and same thing. So let me just actually delete that one so it's simpler. So same questions. And this one, what I'm going to do, so when I select it, you see on the right hand side it says the logic. So I'm going to say if someone choose 10, so you see you get different options. You can send people to different slides, or you can disqualify them immediately. So for the 10, I'm going to send them to slide 2. Basically it says you chose 10. And if they choose 20, I'm going to send them to slide 3. And if they chose 30, I'm going to disqualify immediately. And if I click on this, I can update the disqualify message. So if I come down, it says disqualify immediately. I'm going to say you are not qualified. And Same thing for the other disqualification. Let's just save this. Let's preview this one as well. So let's go ahead and put some email in here. So let's choose 10. It says you chose 10. If I go back, choose 20. It says you choose 20. You chose 20. And if I put on 30, it's gonna automatically disqualify me. So you can see how powerful and useful this is going to be. I've extensively used it for my own business, specifically before letting someone to book a call on my calendar. I've designed it before giving them actually the link to my calendar, but you can also kind of like embed that inside your calendar. So if you go to your calendar section, when you are creating a new calendar, let's say we are within this calendar and we are creating a calendar, there's a section called forms and payments. Here you can actually select different forms, so logic form and those kind of things. It doesn't let you to use the survey, so if you need some kind of logic like that survey, you need to put the survey before your calendar. But if you can handle it with the logic form, you can literally put it inside the calendar. Anyway, this was it. I said it was going to be nice and quick. Thanks for watching. And again, if you want to learn more about GHL, or you need help with anything about GHL, or your agency, your business need help, this is what we do. We set up automation, onboarding, white label onboarding, and basically be your tech wizard within your company. So make sure that you check the link down in the comment section and get in touch. And once again, make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions. Just write it down in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.